Okay, so this week we're going to be working more with the slope-intercept form of an equation, y equals mx plus b. Last week we learned that m is the slope. That's the number that's right next to the x. And then the b is your y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So we're going to look at some examples where you're actually going to have to find the slope and the y-intercept this week. So in the first example, y equals 3x plus 6. Your slope, number before the x. The number before the x is 3, so you just write 3. Y-intercept, the number after the x. And it's the plus 6, right? Because you want to take the sign with it, but we don't need to write plus, so your y-intercept is just 6. Okay, second example. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 5. Your slope, what's before the x? Negative 1/2. Make sure you use that sign. So your slope is negative 1/2. Your y-intercept is over here, what is left, and make sure you take the sign with it. It's negative. So your answer for y-intercept is negative 5. Last example. Y equals negative 4/5 x plus 1/2. What's before the x? The negative 4/5. So you're going to write negative 4/5 for slope. And then what's left is the plus 1/2. We don't need to write plus, only if it was negative, and your y-intercept is 1/2. Okay? So you're going to do some IXL on this, and then tomorrow will be a worksheet. Good luck.